right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about, well, Harbor Freight is going hard for the tool trucks. As you can see here, they introduced a complete new line of, looks to be launch-based scan tools, including dockable ones. They're going hard after Snap-on. As you can see here, they've got their own smoke machine now, which is pretty nuts. They're going this hard after professional technician tools. I remember back when it was just Harbor Freight was Chinese junk, and now they're making stuff like this. Product news, automotive. Let's go further on to see what else they debuted at SEMA. Now, I'm not sponsored by Harbor Freight. I have no association with them. If you want to see who's sponsored by them, look at the Harbor Freight Instagram page or Twitter or whatever. They basically have a whole video of everybody they sponsor, so I ain't on that list. And I was not at SEMA. They debuted a master interchangeable puller set. Quality, the thing about it is quality until you use it, you don't know. But this is wild that they're coming out with this kind of stuff. Here we see their diagnostic cart kind of setup with a monitor with the scan tools. Of course, they're going after Milwaukee with their line of electric tools. So Harbor Freight debuted let's just call it a copy of the Snap-on ball joint press. So yeah, Snap-in. It's literally a copy of the Snap-on kit. Harbor Freight is going after the tool trucks. There's no doubt about this anymore. They're not even going after Lowe's, Home Depot. They're going hardcore after the tool trucks. Obviously, they've been going after Snap-on for years, in their advertising, but they are going full bore for the tool trucks at a literal brick and mortar store that's all over the place. I have two within quick driving distance of my house. And that's insane that there's, brick and mortars where you can go buy these kind of tools. They may not carry them, but you can still go there, order them, get them in, or direct ship or whatever. But Harbor Freight is going hard after that tool truck business from professional technicians. And believe me, I remember back in the day when it was junk that you bought to grind, to, throw in the back of your car in case of kind of stuff. They're going hardcore, and the quality is, for the most part, been there. The Icon line has been fantastic for everybody that has used it. So I don't know what to tell you. Icon's coming hard for you, Snap-on. Good luck with that. So hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.